Now here you can see one more phase, that is G0 phase. What actually happens here, the cell that are formed, they may enter to G0 phase or may not, they may enter to G1 phase after the cell division. So after the cell division, in this phase we have seen cell division occurs. So after the cell division, the cell may enter to G0 phase or they may enter to G1 phase. So the cell may either enter into the cell cycle to start the DNA synthesis and then complete the cell cycle, or they may withdraw from the cell cycle to enter into a resting phase, that is G0 phase. So if they withdraw from this from the cell cycle, they will enter into G0 phase. The cell that enter in G0 phase, they may remain metabolically they are active only, but the thing is they do not divide. They are non-dividing cells. The cells that will enter into G0 phase, they will not divide. They will be active. All the cellular processes, metabolic processes will occur inside the cell, but they do not divide. Now those cells, they may remain in G0 phase for many years, or they may enter into G1 phase again, and thus they will re-enter into the cell cycle. So it is up to the cell whether they want to remain in G0 phase, or they may also opt for they may also enter in the G1 phase and then will continue the cell cycle. So some cells enter in G0 phase and remain in this phase for rest of their lives, and they never enter into the cell cycle. For example, you can say the nerve cells, the neurons, they do not divide after certain period, so they will remain in G0 phase. And there are some cells which do not enter in G0 phase at all, and they continuously keeps on dividing. For example, cancerous cells, students. So we know that cancer cells are what? They keeps on growing. They never stops. Their growth never stops. They keeps on growing. So these cells, they do not enter into G0 phase at all. They continuously divide. So it is up to the type of cell whether they will enter the cell cycle or they will not. It is up to the cell. So after completing G1, S and G2 phase, the cell, it finally enters into the M phase. So here they will undergo the mitosis. So interphase is all about, before entering into cell division, the cell used to prepare itself for the division. So all those changes that is taking place, we need to remember. So this is all about cell cycle.